the video. Bro, what game? What game? Builder die. Okay, wait, builder die. Okay. Hi guys, today we're just gonna be playing some Roblox. And if you guys can see, we're inside our characters from Walmart. I am Joy, that's Lucio, Sadness, and then Adam, he's not fear. He said he's embarrassment. He kinda looks like embarrassment, yeah. And guys, have you wondered why I haven't uploaded for I don't know, probably like a week or something, I don't know. But guys, it's cause I'm busy playing outside and I'm busy grinding in TTD. I don't even have the time to record it. So that's why guys today we're gonna record a video, right? But if you guys want me to what? Wait. If you guys want me to make videos daily, then subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I really need some subscribers, guys, because it didn't go up. So I wanna get at least 100 subscribers before it hits 2024. So I mean 2025. So yeah, we're just gonna play some Roblox. I'm gonna title the video playing some Roblox, and me, Lucio, and Adam I'm just gonna give them some credits in the description.
Let me tell you something.
And what?
You literally made the video last week.
Yeah, I know. I made it last week. Bro, a week is kinda long. A week is kinda long. I'm gonna make the most simple umbrella ever.
I'm gonna make the most careless brown.
Hey, yo! Did you say brown thing? Or are you talking about chocolate ice cream, or are you talking about... Are you talking about chocolate ice cream, or are you talking about you already know?
I'm talking about liquid.
Guys, I'm not gonna say it because if you guys are eating, you guys might get disgusted. So yeah. Oh, there's a meteorite. There's a meteor. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys, there's a hole in my roof. Bro. Ow. Oh my god, guys, I'm so low health. Okay, guys, if you have subscribed already, please like the video if you haven't already. And if you guys haven't liked this video, please like it. And if you're watching without subscribe, you're making a big mistake. You're gonna go to jail for 5 million years if you do that. So so I really want you guys to subscribe and watch this video if you haven't already. Yow! Guys, wait, let me just take a bite of my hot dog. Guys, I'm chewing the skin of the hot dog. So good, bro. Hey, what kind of sauce? So good. Go up and up and up. Oh. Guys, I'm not gonna make it. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Guys! No! gonna jump. Ah! Ah! Guys, if you didn't see, if you guys didn't see me, I jumped and then I fell. Oh my God, please no. I don't really have that. You guys probably can't hear them because they're in the call in my. Guys, scream as loud. Oh my God! What was that? No. I'm gonna do the most smallest and the most simplest umbrella ever. Look at my umbrella. It's so cool, right? Guys, is my umbrella? Guys, look at my umbrella. Guys, I have the best umbrella. Oh, Adam, no, please. No. Well, simple is better. Simple. I literally created the world's best umbrella in the world. Michael Jackson? What? Michael Jackson? Oh, guys! Okay. Guys, I can do it. Guys, I can do it. I'm gonna survive, guys. If you guys are watching, if you guys are forcing yourself to watch, but you really don't like the video. and then bro gets hit by a acid rain. Thank you for sun, thank you for rain, thank you for dry, and thank you for pain. Joy me. Sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, and thank you for pain. It's a beautiful pain in my pain. In my. What did you say? I'm literally hitting the griddy, guys. I literally got some. Guys, I'm hitting the griddy. Ah! Okay, make a boat. How do you? Adam, how are you doing that? Adam, I can't get up my own. Okay.
If anyone needs to go to your boat,
Bro, look at my boat. I'm gonna put the railing in case I accidentally get on the tippy edge and then I fall. Bro, did I just? Oh my God, Lucia! Sadness. Okay, I'm good. Ow! Ow! Guys, help! Okay. If you guys didn't know, about. Oh, wait, I took off my. Oh my God. Guys, if you don't know, 5 or 3 days ago, we played a game from the Philippines, right, guys? house there, and then the people there literally recognized us, guys. And float in the guys, we shouldn't have bought this so we could float in the lava.
Oh my gosh.
And guys, I'm hitting the gritty so hard right now, bro. Okay, what? Oh no, volcano. I'm gonna literally cuddle myself in a corn.
I'm gonna make a capsule.
I made a funeral and then it said, "Here lies the dead of someone's the dead."
That's it?
Oh, I accidentally turned off my phone. Guys, I accidentally mute. Oh god, guys. Guys, help! Help! Guys! Help! Guys, you guys probably can't see my screen. Oh my god. Guys, help! Oh! Please, I can't even get out. At least, oh my god, at least I can't get hit by the meteors, but oh my god. Bro, I'm literally inside a rock. I'm inside a rock right now. Oh my. Oh no. Guys, if you can see the top, guys, everything is exploding. Guys, please help. Guys. Yeah, cause you literally put a bunch of blocks on top of my funeral. No, it's not a funeral, it's just a giant rock. Oh my god, I didn't know this is how much meteorites fell. Guys, it's kinda a good thing if a meteorite hits my base and then it breaks. It's because like I can finally get out. I can't, I'm sorry, it's already closed in. Oh my god. Yes! It's yay! Oh my, yeah. Delusional? Of course I'm delusional. Delusional. Do you know how hard it is to stay positive all the time? To stay positive. Bro! To stay positive all the time. When you all folks just complain. Genie, mother loving toaster strudel. No! I am anger! I'm just kidding. Anger is already won, I think. Guys, I'm gonna use my auto clicker here. I'm kidding. Oh yay! Ooh, yay guys! Let's connect! Hi guys, let's connect. Bro! Yeah! Guys! Find your dreams come true. And I wonder... Oh! Sadness! What is sadness doing? Find your dreams come true. And I wonder how it feels. Oh! Sadness! Oh, yay. Find your dreams come true. Yay! That's not even a sacrifice. You didn't even save anybody. Yeah, you didn't even save anybody, broski.
I did that.
Oh, yeah, true. Ew, why'd you do that? Great, my finger is bleeding. Okay, guys, look, I already made it. Oh, guys! Oh, yeah. Coronavirus! 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 Guys, I'm literally just trolling everybody.
Sadness, where else?
Coronavirus! 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 Oh my god, the whole server is coronavirus! 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 Guys, the coronavirus is kind of good because it's protecting everybody. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, it's a hallway. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Oh, fine. Ow! Ow! Lucia, look what the acid rain did to me. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. And ah! No way! Guys, did you see that? I literally just walked out and then a single acid rain literally hit me and then I literally shattered in a million pieces. No! Oh my god! Can we be friends? Embarrassed? Make a bow! Make a bow! Make a bow! No. Make a bow! Make a bow! Coronavirus! Wait. Coronavirus! 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 Oh no! No, I did not delete your base. I'm sorry. I'm just okay. That's enough. Oh my god. Coronavirus.
Oh, you wasted my
Chill, it's just a boat, broski. Ah! Nah, the bigger the better. If I come out the lava, then I'm guys, look, I'm not dying in the lava, I'm swimming. Guys,
for sunshine and
guys, look, I'm surviving in the lava. Guys, I'm surviving in the lava. My health isn't even going down. Oh my god, I think it's going down. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for pain. Thank you for pain. And thank you for pain. And thank you for pain. And thank you for pain. Guys, I'm gonna hit the granny really hard. You guys probably heard that. Guys, should we play another game or not? Oh no! Coronavirus! Guys, sadness, embarrassment. I'm not gonna coronavirus your bases. Coronavirus! 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 Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Hey, sadness, wanna be safe? Wanna be safe? Okay, you'll be safe now. Bro, why are you moving? stop moving. Oh my God. My God. I'm Superman. I'm delusional now. Look at your face. You don't see it like, well, then she is delusional. Not like that. Delusional, of course, I'm delusional. Bro, you're not even Joey. If not genius, can't genius it genius? Well, then she is a genius. If Adam can see that, well, then she is a genius. Hey, yo!
Let's do hours with Sunny.
Guys, they want me to do coronavirus? Coronavirus! Oh yeah, I'm delusional. Bro, I'll go next to Adam. Guys, I'm clicking the mouse super fast. Guys, I'm really sorry I don't have the intro yet. I don't know why! I'm so mad at myself. Guys, I'm so mad at myself because there's still no intro. Hi, sadness. No! Embarrassment! No embarrassment! Oh, yay. Happy. Find your dreams come true. And I was Howard. Find your dreams come true. Oh, stop! Find your dreams come true. Bye! Oh, we're gonna survive. Yeah! Guys, I'm gonna hit the greedy super duper duper hard. Guys, I almost fell. Hey, yo, this girl is sucks. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. There, let's make the umbrella super duper big. Oh gosh, I actually did it. Yes! Okay. Oh. Look how long it is. No, it's longer than your bowels. No, that's the same as balls. Guys, look how long it is. Guys, this is the most. Guys, let me just distract. Cause he is embarrassment. Guys, do you want me to hit the greedy super big? This. Hey, yo, you're so. Bro, that girl is so sus. Look what she's doing. Look, she said, Joy, come with me wherever I go. Hey, yo. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for rain. Oh, ow! Abe. Her name is Abe. Guys, my bandit is super sore. What? Guys, this video is about to hit 30 minutes long. Oh my god!
No sadness. Let's make a boat.
Nah, guys, let's make a no, guys, let's make a tower. Guys, let's make a tower. So, guys, let's make a tower. A tower is better. I'm just kidding. It's not better because it would tumble down, bro. Okay, guys, I can see you. Oh, I'm afraid of heights. Guys, when lava hits the bottom, guys, when lava hits the bottom of my tower, bro, it's gonna look like my tower. It's an earthquake, and then my guys, my tower, guys, help, guys, help me, okay? 3, 2, 1, help! Oh, yes, I did it. Guys, we're in a dun. Next time it's a lava. Guys, can you see? Guys, can you see my tower, bro? It tumbled down. Wait, it's actually floating. Wait, what? It's floating. Ah! Fear? Wait, do you mean fear? But that kind. Why is he embarrassing the girl? What he's doing right now? Bro, Joy's hair is actually blue for real.
I know, but one change for his hairs.
Volcano eruption. How about I cover the top of the thing? Guys, go up so you will survive. Guys, no, guys, go make a really long tower so above the volcano so the meteorites can't hit us. Whoa! Bing bong! We did it! Bing bong?
I'm not building. I'm just gonna. Okay, let's see what the volcano.
Oh, are you blocking the? Oh, someone is blocking the volcano. No, it is now. Guys, the video is about to hit 30 minutes. Guys, I'm on a tower. Guys, I'm on a tower. No, nothing. Guys, I'm on a tower. Ah! Oh, it might hit my tower. Uh-oh, I think. No. Tension. Guys! Oh, I died. Guys, I died. My head popped up. But guys, I'm gonna take a bite of my burger. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, you're done. Pancha, pancha, ancha,